welcome back to Milana Love's
channel.
channel. Today I found myself a new job and I'm going to be drawing face paints on your face. Who do you want to be?
Turtle.
So you're my first client. I'm going to draw a turtle on you. You excited? Okay,
Yeah.
let's start. Okay, Max, what did you choose?
A turtle with a starfish.
Do you want it to be a girl or do you want me to remove the lashes?
Remove the lashes.
Okay, so we're going to do this, but a boy version. So, you ready?
No.
Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, so I'm going to use, which
No
green do you want to
way,
use? Do you want to use this green?
No.
I mean, it's exactly the same color.
Okay.
Okay,
You
right
sure
here?
about it?
Right here? Okay, turn around right here.
I'm scared.
Okay, so we're doing this. I'm mixing a little bit of this neon green so we can get a more boyish color, yeah? What happened? You want a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Oh, okay. We can do that. So we're almost done, I think.
No, you're not.
I'm with the face and one of the legs. That's what I meant. I think it's turning out pretty good.
I see it. It's right there.
Okay, so I think we're getting to somewhere.
No,
So now we're
you're
doing
not.
the turtle. The turtle's,
shell.
yeah, the shell. So I need you to turn it out this way. And we're gonna keep doing this. Do you like how it's turning out?
I can't see it.
Oh, that's true. But I think it's gonna turn out really pretty.
I think no.
So now we're doing the part right here. It's the shell part on the bottom. These rock parts right here. Okay, right here. We're done with these rock parts. So now we're gonna do these parts right here, which are like the rock parts. So is it like the rock parts or what is it? Now we're doing these parts right here.
Which parts?
We're doing the little squiggly line part. It's like this part right here.
You do not have to do everything. This. You don't get everything. No, every lines. Stop.
Okay, we're almost done. Now this rock. Okay, so now we're gonna do the face, I believe. Oh no, we need to do the two more legs. Is that two legs or is that a tail and a leg? A tail and a leg.
Yeah, you.
Okay, let's do right here. A leg right here. Okay.
I'll go now. Then
So now we're going to be drawing the eyes.
then
No, now we're drawing the eyes.
then.
First eye is kind of complete. Second eye is kind of complete. Second eye is okay. So now we just need to fix it a little bit right here.
Done?
If you're gonna keep asking, then no.
If you keep saying no,
Okay, I think the eyes are complete. Now we're gonna draw the mouth.
no mouth.
Okay, don't move. Okay, the mouth is almost complete. If you're not gonna move.
It's do not almost complete. It's already complete.
It is, okay. Now we're gonna do these little dots.
And it's one of the dots.
Okay, so this is how the turtle looks. Now we're gonna do the almost last thing. I'm gonna do a little bit of this right here. A little bit of cheeks.
Stop. That's one of the cheeks.
Okay. And now we're doing the starfish with this color. It's like this neon green color. I mean, neon orange color. Do this little starfish.
Good.
Okay, we're doing the starfish. We're doing this part right now? It is. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the little bubbles. Little bubbles like it's in the ocean. Okay, so like that. Yep. So now we're just gonna erase right here. And we're ready to put some glitter.
And it's one glitter.
We're putting glitter in the water. Okay, it looks good. Are you happy with your results?
And everyone can see it.
Okay, we're gonna show him his results. Ready? Let me take a picture of it. Turn it out. Ooh. Okay, thank you so much for being my client. Bye. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.